OPPO has just added another True Wireless Stereo Earphones under the OPPO Enco lineups, and for the first time OPPO partnership with the Danish Speaker Manufacturer's Dynaudio released a flagship True Wireless Stereo Earphones, the OPPO Enco X. It features OPPO's own Dynamics Balanced Enhanced Engine 3.0 sound systems and LHDC codecs that offer low latency, high definition audio. The OPPO Enco X also offers active noise cancellations and transparent mode that allow seamless and interruption-free usage. Here's a quick unboxing of the OPPO Enco X. There are two boxes and the packaging does look very premium. Next are some documents, two different size ear tips, USB-C charging cables, and the Enco X. It comes in two color options, black and white. The pebble-shaped case with glossy finishes features silver trims around it. There's an LED battery indicators on the front and a USB Type-C port at the bottoms for charging, and it also supports Qi wireless charge as well. On the back, there's a Dynaudio brandings on the hinge. The earbud equipped with dual driver setups and 11mm dynamic drivers and a 6mm planar magnetic drivers. It uses the latest Bluetooth version 5.2s and support AAC, SBCs, and LHDC codecs that offer CD quality high definition audio. There are only a handful of devices that support LHDC codecs, including OPPO X2 series and some Xiaomi smartphones. Coming to pairing is pretty simple and straightforward. For the non-OPPO devices, turn on the Bluetooth settings, open the case, and pair. The earbud also features wear detection where they will play or pause your playing medias. The controls of the earbuds is pretty intuitive, where it allows customizations of the touch functions through the OPPO Hey Melody apps. You can tap and slide the earbuds to control music, enable ANCs or transparent modes, summon voice assistance, and even volume control. The Hey Melody app has quite limited functions, only showing battery percentage, firmware updates, assigning touch controls, and earbud fit tests. Like any other TWS, the Enco X is IP54 dust and water resistant. Unfortunately, I do not have any LHDC compatible device to test. Instead, I pair them with my Samsung Galaxy Fold. The dual driver setup can produce a very wide dynamic range, and the instrument separations are clean. It has adequate bass and soundstage. The ANC is significantly better compared to an entry-level ANC like the OPPO Enco W51. I do notice obvious white noise when I enable max ANC intensities without playing any music. The OPPO Enco X offers up to 5 hours of continuous usage and additional 20 with the case. Overall, the Enco X is pretty light at 4.6 grams and comfortable to wear for long hours. The audio quality is pretty vibrant and clean. There's no official pricing and availability is announced here in Malaysia, but it's already available in India for 9,990 rupees, which translated to around 560 ringgit. With this price tag, I would say the OPPO Enco is pretty decent for its qualities. I'll share more about the availabilities and the pricing once it goes official here in Malaysia over on our website at danielmobile.com. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia. I do how-to tech unboxings and reviews on these channels, and if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one.